In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use Google Drive within Yahoo Mail Compose to attach files to your emails. Whether you're new to integrating Google Drive with Yahoo Mail or simply need a refresher, we're going to walk through the process step by step, making it as easy as possible for you to get started. Let's begin by opening Yahoo Mail. Once you're logged into your account, you'll want to navigate to the Compose button. This is where you'll start writing your new email. It's important to note that Yahoo Mail Compose is equipped with a variety of tools to enhance your email experience, one of which is the integration with Google Drive. Now, as you draft your email, you'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Keep an eye out for the Google Drive icon, which looks like a small triangle. Clicking this icon is your first step toward accessing your Google Drive account from within Yahoo Mail. The very first time you perform this action, Yahoo Mail will prompt you to sign in to your Google account. Don't worry, this is normal and a one-time setup process. Follow the prompts to log in, ensuring that you're entering the correct credentials for the Google account that holds the files you wish to attach. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll have direct access to your Google Drive. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time. You'll see a list of your files and folders, making it easy to locate the specific document you want to send. Navigate through your drive and carefully select the file you'd like to attach to your email. After you've made your selection, you'll notice an option to add the file. Yahoo Mail will give you the choice of adding it either as a link or an attachment, depending on your needs. Adding it as a link is particularly useful when you're dealing with larger files or when you want to collaborate. It allows the recipient to access the file directly on Google Drive. Alternatively, if you're sending a smaller file or want to ensure it's detached from Google Drive, an attachment might be the way to go. Once added, the file will seamlessly appear in your email and you're all set. From here, you can proceed to enter your recipient's email address, write your message, and hit send. In summary, connecting Google Drive to Yahoo Mail is a straightforward way to manage and share your files without the hassle of downloading and uploading repeatedly. It's efficient and integrates two powerful tools to make your emailing experience much smoother and more productive. So next time you have a file to share, remember how these simple steps let you do it with ease and confidence.